Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel and to another episode of Cheesy Blase and Ivany. Now Cheese was on our live talking about the whole situation with Ivany, saying the drama is going on. About this episode 3 or episode 4. I think it's episode 4, but she was on her live and people calling and give them 1-2 there was this one lady who calling, like, I don't understand how people, like, you see people on the internet, you don't know people in real life, you don't know what their story is all about. I want to show you guys what she feel like showing you guys, but you guys take everything, so it's like you cannot stay over the internet and know what's going on into someone's house to know whether they're a good mom or a bad mom. And to go as far as to say you're calling CPS or whatever it is that they call it in the States, just to go as far as to say you're trying to call someone to report on a child that you assume is being a BUSED by the mama, and you take it upon your head and call those people to have the young lady's child being taken away. Why would you do that? You don't know what is going on. Why, may I tell you, why? I guess people put them business out there, so things like these will happen. So guys, in the next clip, you'll see what I'm going on about. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more. See you in the next clip. So guys, that lady that I'm talking about, she's at the end of the clip.
She's our nanny. Big old girl, you don't have no money. First of all, hold on, no man, let me finish. First of all, if you didn't have money, Ivany, you would have do a bit different way. You would go about that way to do your surgery. Not only that, we now go for breast and come back left body. You're mad.
Never.
We are come back with everything and with money well spent and nurse get paid. Tip nurse too.
Yes, sir. I pay have your money. Why you never pay your money? I never talk about say no one hurt me, but you know see my dog. My dog I live better than cheese. You're rude. You're out of father.
Bright to bright.
I live like a shit. Your dog
Money, come up in a Nevada, you don't know money. Come up in a Nevada, through my cousin no one is you.
How much I baby broke girl. Me say, see man, Father God, which I just bumbo clap video in a girl baby, you know.
Me say cheese.
I true you never had a plan for like how she a plan cheese.
You not plan
for this, because you genuinely did love her, we could have seen
it. Me say I got dad when me sit down right here for cheese. Me say when me say over there, me say cheese. Me say me want, you know when somebody I say them friend, I have to listen, you see if you like give me. No, because suspicious. Now is that the girl me that put up on your girl. You see true you show me say right out for the girl. I can't tell her nothing about your friend. Me say girl, me want to text you and say keep your receipt. What time? I say girl, me say as a God come pick them, me say you some say girl, me mad to text you, me say when me come out for the call, cause me just know say she can't be trusted, but true ya the benefit
no, she can't be trusted. I mean,
not only that, cause me and you know say Vani want to do her bottom because she say she want to do her bottom. Vani, we know you want your bottom. You want
I spend every day. I just work for money now. In money she want work for now.
Well, I know man, how you so rich? You make you look like some because that's some nanny. Like you're some rich kid going to another state. You do your body and you are your nanny. You suck your mother girl, you not no money and you can't style my family. None at all.
Listen, she not my she have to beg her friend. And her friend we good to her we know she not have it.
Jeez, what going on, baby? You're good.
Mr. Diamond.
Why pray? Yeah, you don't say everybody want to give me that case. I mean, I run from this a blood clot case. I want to stop to me that. Jesus, cheesy, Jesus. God no, me tell you what me have to say. Chano, why this have to reach so far, Chacha? We should have deal with a different door.
Man, you're not in no position because you go do breast and come back to the body and we know you want.
We are not munching. Me soon gonna make you do your thing. Me know your cousin and thing, but cheese, you're good, me baby.
Right.
Cheese, you're good.
Yeah, well it.
Yeah, just hold it, my friend.
Go up from the dog there. I tell you honest truth. Call cheese. I call Blatty. I call Blam them. I call who else? My friend here. Brass lady. Brass lady can call most of the time. But I tell people them say I want to go away. You see me? When I think certain things are certain things. It is what it is. The people that help me out. You see me? I say no, I'm not doing so with the money because the money. Me don't want the money fuck up. And that can be towards me rent. Boom. The girl is just an animal youth. The girl I go away and me and her go away and me tell her, remember you know, me been a spend my money there you know. So I go at the supermarket, you know, because everywhere like you know, I got the supermarket, you know. Me pay $13 and some change and $15 and some change come back. You see me? Plus me buy the coconut milk, the peas and everybody. And Ivany with her evil self, don't give me back my blood clot money. She never did for make me spend $1. No money at all, me never did for spend. Ivany them are just some dog shit. And then is what them is and then cannot change. Yeah. One little half a fee me ask her for. And she sent $20 come. So me send back the $20. And that get her mad and she block me. And that makes she mad.
I go from 4 o'clock in the morning. I never sleep till 4 o'clock. You Saturday treat them last night. One more witness out of me 2 eye last night. Me say she locked the door upon the baby and said, you can't stop me from chat. Go and ball.
You not hear when she say Nadine. You not hear when she say. You not hear when she say. Me I give him some medicine to make him go sleep. You know.
But just lie. She said lie. She said lie.
I was making that point last night, and people were saying, "Oh, he's sick." Those medicines go for 8 to 12 hours for babies. Most times. So he don't need 2 o'clock in the morning. He is his next dose. Come on.
Rachel, she said that's a lie. She said she never offer him no medication because he's not taking any medication. Nadine, remember say she a top liar, you know. Remember say one night
she said it on the live last night. She said, "May I give you some medicine, make you sleep."
Everybody see it.
She never say a time for him, and I never time for him next dose. Hours in the morning. The baby travels how far from plane. You know, hold up your baby and comfort him, and him did have fever. You treat the baby like a goat.
I don't think she talk to the baby. Maybe the baby wants to say.
Clarence can think, you see.
Treat the baby like an animal.
Our ram goat.
That girl there one bare face liar. You see one night, me can't forget, you know she lion deadly. One night, she dep on the live and cheese of her life and she come in and cheese back and she a class. Well dog and the man no trouble her, you know. That's when that's when the man answer her back. And when the man answer her back, she come back live and a cuss and make it look like say him cuss her and she answer back. Just because she in a cheese box in a 2 o'clock a morning, she thinks nobody no see her. You understand? Here him first trouble me. And she make real dog say, "Oh, cheese, me can't believe the cheese in a box that make that girl there diss me."
I true, remember that time.
And she coming in and stand trouble the man, and when the man answer her back, she say, she come like she brand new and say him first trouble her.
And she did do it first, so she
started. And she trouble him first. And when he answer, she say him trouble her. And she start cuss the man baby. She start cussing baby mother, and when the man answer, cuss back for her pitney. Say him go come back taps and road. She say him first trouble her just because. So same as how she come late last night come talk. She thinks nobody no see her, but 6,000 people up on her live last night. Them see her.
They got to 6 or 2 me left at 2 point something. 2.2.
And them hear her. So when she tell them say a lie, she never say so we all hear. She say me I go give him some medicine make him go sleep.
Well, she denied and crap on her life today, so not go so lie. When you see me give medication, you're not taking any medication. She said that.
Like, why is she wicked?
Ivan is a devil from the pit of hell.
Ivan is putting a one back love it right and a little
Me said, me say, woman, trouble triple and triple not trouble Lara. When the people them say, what triple do you? And she first trouble me until one day me hear the girl come and say, she not really do me nothing, you know. But that's not like her. She go like she better than people.
Ivan go like she better than people and she bigger. Somebody go and hold her and beat her. You see your way up, man. You so weird the Lord. I want somebody see up on the road and just start fist up her face.
I'm not gonna
But she should have tried do what she had do down in Florida. You got the right place. She did definitely do it because she could have defend herself and free. Yeah.
She should leave and go behind cheese. But
not talk blood clot off round me. So what?
Wait till she not airport.
Wait till she now wish airport me hear me tell her say up till the time me and I dep on the in the airport she did dep on her phone me and I dep on phone to me go through TSA and everything. Me tell her
time she start pick up the message
Them time they make the post cheese.
Yeah.
no man. Listen up.
Yeah.
What time
That's the way to reach you.
You know when she start message make the post, but after several they can't tell me them time they land me London New York.
When I send her about the $20.
Let me see when me land in New York and check for go do the Uber and check see at $20 see at $20 she said. So when the blue like a girl at Liberty taking, me send it back to her and say you're cool. That's how me say you're cool.
Alright, somebody send the post to me and me go look on her page and me see it. And so when me come back, when me come look if she's live, me not see cheese live. Then me search the cheese again and me see cheese live and I say, no long me take forget a ride for go home precious.
Yeah, remember
Them time that the post make her ready in a cheese.
What you say?
When you're in the car and you say, yes, I get on your life. When you're in the car and you say, you know how long me there wait for get a ride? I think I am precious. You remember how me talk?
Yeah, me the
Them time that the peer post there.
Yeah.
So I tell you to post it long time. Cause I search me, come search to see if you like. Cause I say I must prank this.
Yeah.
Me I say I must prank. So when me see you, I say to Precious say, you know how long me take for get a ride? And Precious I say, go on hold it, man. Me I say cheese now say nothing, so it look like a prank. So me come off for your live. And me go back over Instagram for fear something again.
Me still I say this have to be blood clot prank. This can't real. I tell you the truth. Cheese between me and
This is
you.
no prank.
Sister, me I say, it can't be prank and no I get pin in eye, but this can't real a blood clot. That's all me have to say. This not real. Me have to see what one. This can't real.
Like brief.
So cheese, you get black already from them time the way you in the car and go home. Cause that's why you not see the post.
And that's why she child. You're crazy.
So when you say no long and you vex and I say no long, me take to get a ride about an hour. Them time they post up. And me not see you say nothing, so me I say a prank, them a prank, attention.
But me feel like say if Vanny and Cheese are worried, tell them for war and nobody not get involved though. Cause them a friend, I will tell them for done and go fix it, man. Cause last night, me feel like them done bust enough shot now and them a friend. We feel tell them for done. Yes, same thing which comment on the can done, man. You know what I say.
You see your skydive,
But me like it to what them way you want me to say them for done. Me can't say nothing different.
Cheese cuss out her dirty blood clot and me say so.
You're mad. And the big
Cheese, I'm afraid. Don't cuss our cheese. We can't
Cuss out her dirty blood clot, but just leave the baby cuss her. Cheese cuss her.
Don't listen to me.
Cheese cuss her. Skydive man, you don't defend our friend what there. Skydive man, go on in come. But me love you, no, so beg you go on in. Oh.
You know what? Me tell my sister say him and his sister done bust up them big gun and then can't done bust gun now.
My
me not say
friend,
nothing
don't
bad.
cut the class Ivan, don't stop till you feel like.
Jump up for the Grace Mitchell.
Can I say something to you? I'm not being rude or anything, yeah?
Yeah.
But what I'm saying to you, you can't tell Cheesy Pins because when you were in your saga the other day, you take night and day to finish. So
No, that is so true. But you get what I'm saying. You cannot say I cannot tell her. It's up to her to listen. But you know, as a
but when people was telling you that you never listen.
Yeah,
I know, but you know, I get what you're saying, baby. I'm not mad at you for the truth. That's the truth. That's the truth, baby.
Yeah, I'm not being rude.
I know. But that's what I'm saying. Like, maybe if enough people was telling me to done, I would have done. So I am going to be the one out of the few to tell my sister to.
Verbal, go. You go verbal, I go verbal.
We don't need to done bust up be a big gun for last night. Me can't do this.
For last night, me I watch it. She's gonna tell us something. You know my love you, know, go where you gonna, man. Cheese. The girl, you take her for your friend. She don't take you for your friend. And from Jamaica, Ivany have you up. And I'm going to tell you something because you are good. And this me have to say for come on. I'm going to tell you something. You see what you do for Ivany when she in a jail? Me could have never make you come from so far and style your cheese. She do one style, she want style. You the woman say she and her man did that chat you. So basically this was a chat. This was a chat where she sit down and chat before just a minute for it to come out. She did don't have you up. She too wicked. Me da look for everything and she said the girl come from so far and the girl talk about her rent and me give $20. Hey girl, move your blood clot and go. You're too wicked.
You see what I'm saying is that from the moment they were in
no, I'm not a mandated reporter, but I witnessed child abuse last night when I with a parent and a baby. The baby is 7 months old.
Bonnie have issues from those times.
And then you come talk about your dog live better than the girl.
No, she's not an active military person.
Blood clot and go. Oh, your dog feel better than the girl after the girl do so much something for you. I'm gonna tell you some cheese. On the 30th of October, we're born, and me born, and we're also, I'm going to tell you something. Even when you fuck up on her, she's looking at her and say, you know, say, I'm not going to fuck up on that girl here. Hold on now. I'm not going to fuck up on that girl here, because the girl is dead for me. And when them put her out, and she made the war between
no, the fever is not related to COVID-19.
You still hold it like a G. And she made the whole internet break up this stuff.
No, the child is not in foster care. The child is with the mother.
She make you all
the mother name is
she make a lot of things. So even with all of that, I could have never sent $20 to give the girl. I could have never sent $20. When she do her breast, she girl now also cook. You're going to the girl your personal blood clot help for your personal chef. Here you. Oh, cheese, you can cookie. Boy, this soup tastes good. I mean, I watch her.
What is Ivany? What is Ivany date of birth? The child detective woman asked me.
You need a date of birth on December 9th, 1996.
She's the reason why you do that part. They still, I'm not gonna lie, you can't. I'm not gonna lie. No, the reason why you do it.
She's probation and she called probation. She don't call nothing. She said she's going to. She never called me.
I don't really know why you do that part, auntie, because you know, I'm tell you something. Respect them to time. But I'm only gonna jump off now to tell you something, cheese. Say, I'm telling this.
The lady
wants to know when you're gonna find say your heart too good. Let me tell you something, it's a fuck week. Stop your good heart. Run like me. That's
why I stay to me a Scorpio.
Me a Scorpio, my son face it to girl. I would not have no luck with woman. Give it 101 man.
I have no luck with woman. In November, my band the early part.
A while ago. Somebody said something said don't do.
What year, Shaban?
Me not really want to go down the line, but she knows it's a
97. Rochelle, hear me now.
Hello, ma'am. The birthday is December 9th. I don't know the year.
Okay, what's
She's located in Georgia, and her name is Ivany Wright, Ivany. Last name Wright, Wright.
Okay, do you have
she was born November 1997.
November.
The year of birth is 1997. I don't have her specific address.
December 9th, 1997.
December 9th, 1997, but we don't have her specific address. But I witnessed her on...
Ma'am.
Okay, go ahead.
What city does she live in?
Georgia, the city, I'm not sure of the city.
We're gonna get
Okay, do you have a telephone number for her?
What city is it, guys?
We don't know.
The telephone. No, I don't have the number, but I'm witnessing her
Atlanta.
on live.
Right.
Atlanta.
Okay, I need to collect some information out.
She was, you know what? She was recently in Henry County Prison. That much I can say. So I don't know if she lives near Henry County, but she was in Henry County Jail.
Okay, what's the name of the child?
Ivante. IVONTAE WRIGHT. I witnessed her abusing the baby last night on the internet.
Yes, Rachel.
With my 2 eyes.
No, don't say yes, man. They put me out going to foster care.
Yeah, he had a fever. They had been traveling.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I'll let you know when I'm ready for the information. I have a few more questions I need to ask. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay. So we have just the mom, Ivani Wright, and then her son, Ivante Wright. He's 7 months old. You don't have a date of birth for him. Is that correct?
He's born December 25th.
The baby was born December 25th of 2023.
Yes.
Okay. Is there anyone else residing with the mom and child?
No.
Okay. She's somewhere in the Atlanta, Georgia area. No telephone number for her. Correct?
Don't have a number. She changed her number so often, and then she goes on the internet and she does crazy stuff with the baby, man.
Okay. Tell me what you observed.
I observed the baby had a fever. The baby was sick, and then the baby was crying. It was about 2 a.m, and she shut the door, the bedroom door that the baby was in, so that she could entertain her viewers on her internet live, quote unquote live. And she said, "You could go." She was talking out loud and said, "You could go ahead and cry. You can't stop me from talking to my people on the internet." And she shut the door, left the baby in the door, and then she made a comp. So she would go back and forth between the internet live. You know, like when someone goes live on the internet? So she would go back and forth on the video live, and she would make erratic comments and say, you know what? One of the times she got up and said, you know what? I'm going to give you some medicine to make you sleep. Which he already probably had a dose from earlier because he had a fever. So you're not supposed, so people were on the live telling her, don't give the baby medicine just like that. So you have to, it goes by dosage, and it depends on the last time he had his last dose. Pick the baby up, take the baby out of the bedroom, hold your baby, comfort your baby. You just came off of a flight with him. You had him in another state. He was running a fever. Comfort and nurture your baby. She said, she started blocking people. I don't want nobody to tell me what to do with my baby. I'm going to do whatever I want to do with my baby. And she said, I'm going to give you medicine to make you sleep. And he was crying till like 4 a.m. because she was on the internet for hours. And every time she would go back and forth. And there's screen recordings. So I have proof that I can email when you're ready.
And also she stopped the baby to sleep.
Her crying, you said, until about 4 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, the cry. But this is not the first time that she's done this. There's past screen recordings. I don't think that y'all are really taking this serious enough, because there have been people who have said that they have reported this behavior before. And there's screen recordings of her ill-treating the baby. And she was also recently released from jail. She was recently incarcerated. So you guys need to take a closer look at this family. She really probably needs a psychosocial evaluation and a psychiatric evaluation. I believe that the mother is mentally ill. I used to be a mandated reporter.
Okay, so you're saying that this is not the first time that the mom was seen on live while the baby needed her attention?
No, she ill treats him very often on live. She'll leave him crying for more than 20 minutes, which if any WebMD or if you look it up, if a baby is sick or if discomforting, after 15 minutes of crying, you really need to tend to your baby. You don't leave a baby crying 20, 30, 40 minutes or hours off and on.
Okay.
She has
are these concerns happening right now as we speak?
Yes, these concerns are happening right. It has happened in the last 24 hours. And it's a big concern that a lot of people are in uproar about the situation. And I witnessed it with my own 2 eyes, no hearsay.
Mom has access to the child, but no one knows where she's located for anyone.
No, because is that correct? That's correct. And she moved recently as well to hide the baby from the natural birth father.
Okay, what's his name?
The father name is Owie, Howie, but I don't know the last name.
Judge.
No. No, I don't.
Okay.
No, I don't.
The allegation that you reported, you observed these things yourself via the internet. Is that correct?
Yes, that is very true. I did. Was this say Instagram? I will hold my hand up to the Bible and swear on the oath. I know what I witnessed. Go ahead.
I'm just asking you to reiterate to make sure that I understood you correctly. So what I would do is back this information with my supervisor, and then we'll send it over to the county to see how they can assist.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you for calling.
Do you have a reference number?
Have a good evening.
Do you have a reference number that I can follow up?
You would use the mom's name. If you call back, we don't have a reference number as of yet.
Okay, so call back and just give the mom's name, Ivany Wright, and then I can get a follow-up.
Well, due to HIPAA violations, there's going to be very limited information that you can get, but you can call back if you'd like.
Okay, thank you so much, and please take this serious. This is not a joke. This is not a game.
We're not serious, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. You have a nice day.
You too. Bye-bye. Don't talk. Too much fuckery.